Let me show you how I'm possibly going to make 6 figures in net profit flipping a single house from about 2,000 miles away. The seller is asking $230, so I'm thinking I can get away with about $45,000 worth of rehab. Based on those numbers, with the way that my lenders are structured, this is a definite go. I would make $124,000. Let's say I went to $250,000. This would make me a net profit of about $103,000. So $250,000. $20,000 higher than what they're asking. Let's see if I go to $270,000. We're still making a net profit of $82,000, even if we went $40,000 higher than what they're asking. Let's see if we bring it up to $300,000. This would also be higher than our profit minimum of 45 grand. We would still be making $50,000 if we offered the seller $70,000 more than what they are asking for this property. This is a go. I'm making an offer on this today without even seeing it, and if I get it accepted, I'm going to send some contractors in to make sure my numbers are correct with my rehab budget. Tools like this calculator allow us to go in, analyze properties quickly, and make moves on them before the competition even knows that they exist. If you'd like a link to get this calculator for free, go ahead and send me a DM with the word CALC, C-A-L-C, CALC. Send that over. I'll get it sent right over to you. You have a link where you can download it. But this is a game changer in today's business, and I hope you got a lot out of this. Talk to you soon. Happy investing.